Welcome, thrill seekers and luxury aficionados, to Planet Peregrinations. Today, we're delving into the epitome of extravagance in Las Vegas, the five-star hotels that define opulence and glamour on the Strip. These accommodations, while luxurious, are surprisingly affordable, offering five-star experiences for under $100 per night. Las Vegas is a city where every corner dazzles with its vibrant nightlife, world-class entertainment, and endless opportunities for excitement. From the iconic fountains of the Bellagio to the electric atmosphere of the ARIA Resort and Casino, this desert oasis captivates visitors with its larger-than-life allure. If you're ready to explore the pinnacle of luxury in Sin City, then like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support fuels our adventures and allows us to uncover the best destinations around the globe. And don't forget to check out our other videos, where we uncover hidden gems and share travel tips to make your adventures unforgettable. Starting our countdown at number 10, Las Vegas Hilton. At Resorts World provides a lavish escape on the renowned Las Vegas Strip. Guests are welcomed into spacious rooms adorned with modern decor and equipped with upscale amenities. The hotel's rooftop pool offers panoramic views of the city skyline, creating a perfect setting for relaxation and indulgence. With easy access to world-class dining options and entertainment venues, including its own casino, Las Vegas Hilton at Resorts World ensures an unforgettable stay in the heart of the city's vibrant energy. At number 9, we have Fontainebleau Las Vegas, stands as a beacon of contemporary luxury on the iconic Las Vegas Strip. The hotel's spacious suites are elegantly appointed with stylish furnishings and state-of-the-art technology, offering a serene escape amidst the city's dynamic atmosphere. Guests can indulge in the hotel's multiple pools, each providing a distinct ambiance, from lively to tranquil, perfect for both relaxation and socializing. With a vibrant nightlife scene and proximity to renowned dining and entertainment options, Fontainebleau Las Vegas sets a new standard for luxury and sophistication in Sin City. Number 8 brings us to Bellagio, remains an iconic symbol of luxury and refinement on the Las Vegas Strip. Its elegant rooms feature sophisticated furnishings and modern amenities, complemented by panoramic views of the vibrant cityscape. Guests can immerse themselves in the hotel's renowned attractions, including the spectacular Bellagio fountains, which dazzle with choreographed water performances set to music. The hotel's culinary offerings are equally impressive, with Michelin-starred restaurants such as Le Cirque providing exquisite dining experiences. For relaxation, the Bellagio Spa offers indulgent treatments and a serene ambiance, ensuring guests leave refreshed and rejuvenated. With its blend of opulence, entertainment, and hospitality, Bellagio promises an unforgettable Las Vegas experience. Coming in at number 7, Durango Casino and Resort stands as a testament to luxury and entertainment on the Las Vegas Strip. The resort's expansive casino floor offers endless excitement and gaming options, while its multiple dining venues cater to diverse tastes with culinary delights from around the world. Guests can retreat to spacious suites, each meticulously designed for comfort and style. Whether seeking relaxation by the pool or adventure in the casino, Durango Casino and Resort provides an immersive Las Vegas experience where luxury meets excitement. At number 6, Vdara Hotel and Spa offers a tranquil oasis amidst the excitement of the Las Vegas Strip. The hotel's non-gaming all-suite accommodations feature modern design and convenient kitchenettes, ideal for extended stays. Guests can unwind at the rooftop pool overlooking the city skyline, or indulge in holistic treatments at the luxurious spa. Located within walking distance of ARIA and Bellagio, Vdara provides easy access to world-class dining, entertainment, and shopping, ensuring a relaxing yet vibrant Las Vegas experience. Before we reveal our top picks, let's explore some of Las Vegas's hidden treasures. Beyond the famous Strip lies a world of excitement and intrigue. Discover the vibrant Fremont Street experience, where live music and dazzling light shows come together. Explore the Neon Museum, a tribute to the city's iconic signs and history, or take a scenic helicopter tour over the Grand Canyon for breathtaking views. These are the experiences that make Las Vegas truly unforgettable. Moving on to our top 5, we have Trump International Hotel Las Vegas, stands as a beacon of luxury and refinement amidst the bustling Las Vegas Strip. Its non-smoking suites boast breathtaking views of the city skyline and are adorned with plush furnishings and modern comforts. Guests can rejuvenate at the serene spa or unwind at the poolside cabanas, enjoying personalized service and exclusive amenities. With its prime location and unparalleled elegance, Trump International Hotel Las Vegas offers a distinctive retreat for discerning travelers seeking sophistication and comfort in the heart of Sin City. Number 4 brings us to Nomad Las Vegas, combines timeless elegance with contemporary luxury at its unique location within Park MGM. The hotel's chic rooms are designed with plush furnishings and artistic details, creating a sophisticated ambiance. Guests can unwind at the vibrant pool area or indulge in exquisite dining experiences curated by renowned chefs. With its intimate atmosphere and personalized service, Nomad Las Vegas offers a distinctively curated experience that redefines luxury on the Las Vegas Strip. Our number 3 pick is Nobu Hotel redefines luxury with its Japanese-inspired design and exclusive amenities within the iconic Caesars Palace. The hotel's stylish rooms feature elegant furnishings and zen-like tranquility, providing a serene retreat amidst the vibrant energy of the Las Vegas Strip. Guests can indulge in world-class dining at Nobu Restaurant, renowned for its innovative Japanese cuisine and celebrity chef Nobu Matsuhisa's signature dishes. With its seamless blend of elegance and sophistication, Nobu Hotel offers an unforgettable experience where luxury meets culinary excellence in Las Vegas. At number 2, we present ARIA Resort and Casino, stands as a testament to modern luxury and innovation on the Las Vegas Strip. The resort's sleek and sophisticated rooms feature cutting-edge technology and panoramic views of the city skyline or surrounding mountains. Guests can experience exhilarating moments at the state-of-the-art casino or indulge in gourmet dining at award-winning restaurants. With its dynamic entertainment options and luxurious spa, ARIA Resort and Casino promises an unparalleled Las Vegas experience where every moment is elevated to new heights of luxury and excitement. And finally, our top pick in Las Vegas. Caesars Palace Hotel and Casino stands as a legendary symbol of luxury and entertainment on the Las Vegas Strip. Its iconic Roman-inspired architecture and opulent decor transport guests to an era of grandeur and extravagance. The hotel offers an array of luxurious accommodations, from lavish suites to upscale villas, each adorned with fine furnishings and modern amenities. Guests can indulge in world-class entertainment at the Coliseum Theater or explore the exclusive boutiques at the Forum Shops. With its unparalleled amenities and timeless elegance, Caesars Palace Hotel and Casino ensures a truly unforgettable Las Vegas experience that captures the essence of luxury and glamour. There you have it, the top 5-star hotels in Las Vegas that define luxury and glamour. Which one will be your next Vegas escape? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible discoveries from Planet Peregrinations. Until next time, cheers and happy travels.